Welcome back, everybody. Sign here again with another episode of Forever Factory. And let's see. Yeah, I went ahead and made an ME controller, mainly because it gives me a bunch of circuits. And apparently a guide for AE2, but the controller was cheap too. It was just one engineering processor, and I got 15, or I got 16 back, so. And Skystone and Fluix. Not like I'm going to use it, but, you know, it's nice to have. Let's put the guide away too, and those. Alright, so we need to start working on Shadow Essence. Means I need enriched carbon. I should have some of that in here, right? Yeah, I got 3 pieces. Need a blaze burner, which I'm actually out of now. There we go. Let's go ahead and get me... Do I have any extra straws left? 1. Nice. And we're gonna need pipes. We have a full stack. Let's see. Probably a good idea to get another fluid router. And let's see, what else do we need for this? Now we need Basal's powder and liquefied source. Okay, well, first, I need another induction smelter. And let's see, I think the red print is still set for you. All right. And I need an extract module. And a component. Which I taught this thing how to make, well, the PCBs and then the first 2 components. This one here knows how to make Inderium components, the resonant, but I need to be able to automate the single board computer. And we're not quite to that point yet. I do have some resonance left. Yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and use the reinforced here. Now we don't have to wait for this thing to get done. All right. There you go. There's your augment. That. I'm going to go here and drop one of you in. All right, I was putting sulfur in because, of course, it does. And it looks like sulfur was the only thing going in there. Okay, that works. So I need you. And it's going to be a block of coal, blaze powder, equals enriched carbon, right? And then we'll just go ahead and do that. Boom, done. Maybe we should get a priority module. I don't think I'll need it. Because I'm going to have it auto-craft the enriched carbon on demand for this. I will need a basin, though, and a mixer. There we go. And then mixer. Need a whisk. And we have to make iron plates, okay. What is taking so long on the component to craft? Definitely should have been done by now. I'll check it out after I get this built. There we go. All right, so you. It definitely should have been done by now. What the heck's going on? Yeah, it's just sitting here. Why do these things stop automatically outputting? It is annoying as hell. I don't know. No idea. All right, so I need you as well. I'm going to be using that. I'm going to need a small cog. Go get that thing crafting up here. It really shouldn't be taking this long. Hmm. Oh, okay. There it goes. But still, that took longer than it should have. Oh well. I will puzzle that out later. Thinking about it, I should probably at least mark which one's the source so I know where I'm, dealing with. Here. Do that and that. Throw a lever down. Oh, it's right here. Dang it. All right, let me grab like some purple dye probably. Would be a good idea, right? Purple for source sounds good. I don't have to worry about pipes meeting up. All right. All right, so source is here. Really out of lava? Shouldn't be out of lava. What's going on? Oh yeah, no, we're out of lava. You're full. What the? You're empty. So what's going on here? Lava, okay. I mean, that should make a difference, but all right. Lever's on, okay. Where's my hammer at? Opposite side, fluid input. Fluid input from gelic cryothium as well. That one's fine. You, on the other hand, are being weird. I didn't break the pipes or anything, right? So it's like our milk's fine full. Why are you being like this? All right, yeah, sidetracked. Tank. Just give me a mechanism tank, I guess. Okay, that's fine. And you're running again, which is good. Why are you not doing the thing, though? Or, well, you're the issue here. Yeah, this thing should be drained right now, and it's not. But it obviously worked for the longest time. That's why I'm puzzled here. As near as I can tell, heading in that tank for milk at the end here broke it somehow. And yeah. It's and the funny thing is I've looked in the book. There's no reference at all to the pump in the book. Like, I mean, you can even search it up. There's nothing. Nothing for pipes. Fluid transport. There we go. That's where it is. All right. Um, Fluid pumps. Okay. Yeah. In order to pick up fluid blocks, you need to power it. Otherwise, you don't have to power it. Infinite water. Okay. Blocks were picked up while we placed with cobblestone to reduce lag of flowing liquids. Fluid outlet. That's it. But yeah, pump is used. Be much quicker. All right. Pipes. It doesn't mention anything about the max number of fluids you can push through pipes or anything like that. But I think that's what happened. So, if I want lava and obsidian, actually, how much obsidian did I end up with? Well, like 1,500 right now. Well, it's not bad. Oh, you come here. Don't need you anymore. Let's see. I turned you off. Go ahead and turn you back on. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to move the squeezer and have it pump directly into the tank, I guess. Maybe like right here. Thing is, I don't want to waste the 100 buckets of lava I have in here. I ran right by it. Dang it. Okay. All right, let me put you away as well now. Probably upgrade my backpack to diamond tier. So that's universal cable. You grab you instead. We will do like that. What are you? What? Did you end up with something you're not supposed to have inside? Is that what's going on? That might be the case. It's got 50 millibuckets of LPG in there somehow. Okay, well, let me then get another one of you. My hotbar, please. There we go. Still has 50. Okay. Then... How did you... When it drained this thing completely, it somehow pushed LPG from this line here up into this tank. from the bottom. It's got to be what happened. Oh, okay, and there's a pipe right there. There we go. Because of this whole mess I got going on here. All right, well. Should hopefully be an easy enough fix, right? Just break and replace. Hey, look, we got lava again. All right, cool. So then patch you back up. Get this here. A couple of these down. And let me do that. There. Problem solved. Now we can move on with our life. Can't believe I didn't think to check to make sure nothing ended up in there. I was trusting in the router, and the router looked like it maintained, you know, it did its job, but the pipe system I have set up kind of borked everything. Okay, you go here. You get a straw. Throw a basin on top. Room for the mixer here? Barely. All right. You get a cogwheel. Energy transmitter. Oh, wow. I finally hit the stress limit. Well, I've got a lot of machines running full speed, so... Okay, well... Then I am going to want... fluid router, right? Boom. Now what side is... be green? Okay. Kerosene should be good, right? Da, 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 da. Okay, let me just look up the straw then instead. One straw, the straw. There we go. That biofuel? Okay, yeah. Kerosene does not work in these guys, it looks like. I think it's superheated, so biofuel, refined fuel, diesel, gasoline will work though. Okay. Just not kerosene. And kerosene on green. And I will take pipes. Not there though. There we go. Now let me get you here. Because it is you, right? Not there. And it's got liquefied source. All right, cool. So now we are going to get a pretty pipe here. Now, where's my... oh, right here. Duh. You go there. We're going to need one of you in here. And we need some basal's powder. Which there should be, yeah, some in here. We'll just do this. And for Shadow Essence, it is 4 and 4. Dang it. Another rich carbon. I spent all this time automating these things and I never use them. The essences just never come up. Oh, crafting module's not going to work with this. It's going to have to be a retrieval module. I'm just going to have a tank somewhere to put all this stuff into. Which is fine, I guess, right? There's that, and then this one needs to be hooked back up to my presser over here. It's nice to know we didn't actually hit like a limit. Yep. Why are you throwing basal's powder into here? And ender pearl, and apparently this thing can take items that don't get squeezed. There we go. All right, now let's move back over this way. Pull you out. Throw you in there. And you're going to want this and that. Now I'm going to have to do something about my stress because we don't have enough right now. You're tied into the rest of the network. Why am I not seeing anything flow into here yet, though, item-wise? Are we even making carbon? We're waiting on blaze powder. Okay. Which we're using a lot of blaze powder right now for lava, so... You are blaze powder? Okay. Doing one blaze rod at a time, but you know, that's fine. Yeah, I'll keep a zombie just in case. Alright, now let's come over here. Are we getting anything yet? Hey, we're getting carbon. So it's going to make 64 or 16 carbon probably, because I think that's all it'll fit in here. And then it's going to move on to the blaze powder after that. Or basal's powder. Alright, so I've got some stuff set up here. I don't remember where it was when I cut off the last clip. Why do you have a bunch of water in you? How did that even... Oh, I think I know what happened. Yeah. Oh, well. Can I get... You are full. Unfortunately... There we go. 19? Alright, cool. Nope, I can't scoop it out with that. Oh. That's a shame. The water should be fine. It's not going to mess with anything. It's just annoying. So I've got source coming down, going into here. We've got gasoline going to the blaze burner. Carbon and basal's powder in here. I'm going to turn that up in a second. I went ahead and enlarged 4 of the windmills to max size over here. So that gave me like an extra 8,000 stress to play around with or something like that. So we should be good for a little while. And so, let's see. Can I get... Such a tight fit around here now. All these pipes everywhere. You know what? Here, let's... That and that. I can do this. and then I can just run the pipe in the floor, and I can at least walk through here. There, much better. I don't have to go all the way around now. All right, and then, okay, I was going to show off is here we got pipe going to a pump, going into this, and then I have it filtered so shadow essence is the only thing that can go over here. Lever on. I think I need a lever for this one still. Do I not have a lever on me? I don't. Go get one. It's a kind of a moot point right now because I can't do the second stage on this line, which we'll get to in a second. And then over here, I have it dumping pixie dust into this cauldron basin, which if we mix shadow essence over a superheated burner with pixie dust, we get essence of darkness. And so I'll need to get the items out of here as well. Over here, we have something similar. Liquid source, but luminescence and blitz powder. And that is for refined mixture. Then I have it going over here, filtered via router, and into here. This is also going to be getting pixie dust, or not. Is it pixie dust? No, it is. I need 18 chromatic compounds to make refined radiance and pixie dust as well. Okay. This one, though, is going to be probably better off being crafting upgrades. So here, you get that for now. I'm just going to throw you in there. Now, these things here, get refined radiance, chromatic compound, and glowing ingot. You need glowing ingots to make chromatic compound, which is then used to make refined radiance, which we need basic induction provider, huh? Really? I might get into that later. That's, I mean, it's a pretty late game mechanism, but it is really, the induction multi-block is, you can store a huge amount of power. All right, so what's this? Refined charm. Speed 3 and haste 3. That would drive me nuts having speed 3 on top of everything else we got going on. We need refined radiance for infinity catalysts. The induction providers, the basic ones, which these ones get upgraded as you go, so yeah. Apparently, the radiant glow saber instantly evaporates any mob you hit. That just sounds like fun, actually. Yeah, we're gonna make one of those and try it out. And then mixing for the refined mechanism. Compacting into the refined handle, which we use to make a shadow steel sword, or the shadow steel paxel. Okay. But we're going to need to get the refined radiance, but not right now. It's going to be a little bit until we need it, so shouldn't be horrible. Let me do this, though. Oh, I never put the cogs in. Okay. All right, I need a lever and 2 cogs. Like, why is it not mixing? Just give me like 10 of these. I end up using levers all the flipping time, so. Are you seriously? Come on. There they go. Okay. And I'll put a cog there. There we go. You're going to start mixing, and then I'll put a cog here. You're going to start mixing. Lever there. Hey, look at you go. Now we have essence of light. So you turn into that. There we go. And then we're also going to need you and you. We need a couple extractors. Oh, I'm out of pistons? Okay. Well, that should be pretty easy to fix. Thank you. Oh, I had 11 of them on me still. Okay, now I got 13. Yeah, I've started packing around a few components just to make things easier on me in the long run. All right, and we are going to... Let's do a whitelist. Does that. You come here. We are going to whitelist the Essence of Darkness. And now these things need to go into metallurgic diffusers. Yeah, there's a reason I've got metallurgic diffusers in my inventory as well. All right, I'll set them up over here. That'll do. Grab that. Advanced cables, I don't need the advanced ones. Use the basic ones. One, two, three. All right, now there's like a configuration card for mechanism, right? But exactly what it's called? Yeah, configuration card. This is like the red print from thermal. All right, so we're gonna have items on the top. We're gonna have extra be in the back. And that'll work for now. Well, item in the top for you. And then extra item. Okay. Yeah, let's just Let's set the front to be output on all these and just call it good at that point. Go away. And we'll set you to be extra in the back as well. I was going to try to do something fancy with having these machines feed each other, but let's have the pipe system do it. All right, and then we're going to go pipes, pipes, pipes. I am going to need some retrievals. Yeah, I tried recording a clip of me putting these mechanisms together here. And neighbors started cutting down trees next door. And then trimming all the branches and everything else off. And it turned out to be completely unusable. Need like 6 of these. Okay. Well, I can get 2 for now. Let's get 10 for now, and we'll do that. And then you will request 10. There we go. Now we've got a decent amount of retrievals as well. All right. Up, up, up. Up, up, up. All right, so we need to get this working here. You are going to be retrieving Essence of Light in the top. You will be getting Essence of Darkness. And so this will be darkness in the back. So I'm going to burn one of these to make this Essence of Light happen, into enhanced version or whatever it's called. Get rid of that and that as well. Enriched Essence of Light. Yep. Okay. You are going to be retrieved back here. Right. So now I can come over here, drop you in. Do one of those for now. There we go. And you will be getting retrieved back here. Actually, doing it this way, I don't think I need the third machine. Actually, no, I do. You are also going to be getting Essence of Darkness. But instead of you being a retrieval, you're actually going to be a crafter. That's how we can make Wither Skeleton Skulls, right? And that's the only thing, though. Okay, so we only need one crafter. All right, but I do need a bone block. I don't have bone meal in a compacting drawer, do I? Do! Look at you. Nice. All right, so you are going to be getting this. You can have this now, and then... Oh, no. It's not the bone block. The bone block is the start. Okay, we have... This is the drill, which I believe is the right one. And I actually have it set up to already make skeleton skulls. All right, cool. Here we go. I actually had a couple already. Fine. We tested it out. We know it works. It's the important part. Never assume your system is going to work perfectly. We got 8,200 of these things now. Make an upgrade for that. It's sitting idle because it can only hold 8192. Okay, so redo. You are going to be going into here, and it's going to give us a Wither Skeleton Skull. There we go. And boom. There. We should be good to go now. You're holding on to just a bucket of each. Okay. Here, let me put you up and hit the Windows key. Great, thank you. You can have that. You can have that. You have extractors on you. Let me get a couple of drawers, I guess. That way I don't, AFK for a bit and come back and find all my barrels full of freaking essences. All right, so you go here, you go here. Are you really not going to... The drawer, it wasn't going to automatically export. All right, and then we will just go ahead and lock you. Boom, boom. Then I'll just do pipes on top. And just tie you into the system, right? Like that. So now when the system needs it, it can just pull from these drawers. Why are we not getting any more? Oh, because I have low tier retrievals on here. So it's only moving one item at a time, which is fine. Why do you have a bunch of zinc nuggets in you? Is it because it's the water? It's the water, isn't it? Water. Mixing. heated water will give you a zinc nugget. That means it has done 64 buckets of water through here. You shouldn't be getting water anymore, though. It's not going to mess with anything, and it can't make more zinc nuggets while nuggets are in there. But how is water in my... Oh. Let's see. We are facing, so the north side. There, that should fix it. Yep, and it just made that, but it got rid of all liquefied zinc in there. Or not liquefied, nuggetified zinc. So here you can have that and that. Okay. So then all I need to do is just simply tie these machines in the main line. We have light essence in here. We should see eventually this stuff arrive over here. Yep, there we go. It's running now. When one of these gets done, it'll go to either this machine or this one. Thank you. I'm just going to go ahead and make sure it goes here first. Because if this thing gets all the dark essence, which it already got one of them, or no, that's because I put that one in there. But yeah, this machine is to get all the dark essence, and this would eventually stop, and then this one would stop, and then it would just, yeah. Traffic jam. Right, but we can now make wither skeleton skulls. So that means next episode, we're going to be fighting some withers finally. I just haven't decided how I'm going to do it yet. I wonder if Blue ever patched the railgun, because he used to be able to shoot through the wither's protection with it. You know, when bows don't work anymore, you could railgun it to death still, and revolver it. So, but thank you for coming out. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and until the next one, signing out. Have fun.